Dad Random here, maiden flight of the Mario 5. We're just going to do a quick cover test, and then we're going to just do a short flight. Holy crap. Gonna have to wait for our, we've got a practice starting here, so just give me a second. I'll wait for these kids to get, we got parents, we got cars, so I gotta wait for these guys to get out of my way so I don't hit some kids. So just wait a second. I'll be right back. We're back. Could you guys like go behind that fence real quick, just to the other side, just in case? No, you can. I'm gonna fly this quad. I've never flown this one before, so just in case it's kind of windy. So I just want to make sure everything's good. Hey, thanks. You guys can watch. It's not a problem. What are you guys doing? Going to play a little bit of football? Go play a little catch? Oh, you have a little 7-on-7 practice? That sounds good. That's good. Woo! All right, we're gonna fly a little bit. It'll be short.
Without emotions made of steel, what was I supposed to feel?
All right, everything's flying good. We've got a
romances were telling me I just crash again. I think I know what you mean.
Everything's great. Gosh, she's flying really good. This is just a short test flight of the Mario 5. A little bit windy today, but yeah, you can see the wind is blowing where the direction the arrow is. Go out here a little bit away from everybody. I don't want to go too far away because we've got a lot of wind. So we're just going to bring it back. Everything's good. We're in angle mode here. I just got to be able to bring it back in here in angle mode, just very, very delicately. All right, we're working. Sweet. All right, successful test of the Mario 5. She's working awesome. So perfect. That's all I wanted to do. A little bit windy today. We've got a lot of distractions. Perfect battery performance. A little bit windy, but flying great. So, all right, Dead Random. We're back. Mario 5.